Hello guys, so we're back again. So here we've got the bike. So today I'm just going to replace the starter motor, which is right here. So this time I have got a Suzuki GN 125 starter motor, because funny enough this is a Suzuki GN engine, but obviously Mutt motorcycles use that engine to create this beautiful bike. And yeah, so, and I couldn't find any starter motor for a Mutt Mongrel 125, so we're gonna, well, I found the one for the Suzuki GN 125. It comes here with the new bolt and the new nut on this side here, I guess. Yep, lovely. So I can get it locked in there properly. Let me see if it fits. Yes, it does. So what I'm going to do is just quickly get this one off. So to get this one off, you need to pull this up. It's a bit stuck in there. Oh, first of all, I'm going to show you how it's starting now. If it starts, probably won't start, but yeah, because this starter motor is very dead already. So yeah, clutch in, nothing. It used to start a while ago, but now it's dead. So yeah, just gonna get on it and start dismantling. So just need to pull this off, and then I did put a new a weird size bolt here because the other one rusted, so I had to replace it with something that I had in my garage that would fit in there, which is this one here. Obviously ignition is off, this one is out of the way. Now I just need to remove these ones. I believe it's a 7mm. It is 8mm too big. Is this maybe it's a 8mm? Maybe not. Let's see if it's a 7mm. No, it is a 8mm. So all we need to do is obviously make sure you do this while the engine is cold, because if it's not cold, you just need to touch here on the engine casing, you'll burn. It's not like really hot, but like it's not recommendable. Remove one bolt and remove the other. I already dismantled this last time because I went to investigate, because I pinpointed the problem, which was a starter motor, because I went checked the battery connections, the fuses and everything, all the wiring. It was all good. And then when I checked when I opened the starter motor, I checked and it was rusted in one of the bolts there. The connectors are, so obviously that's not transferring the power. So yeah, just gently pull it. There you go. Confirm sizes, as you can see. It's exactly the same. Yep. Yeah, there we go. You guys can compare. I'm gonna take a picture. Yeah, now what we need to do is grab the new one, obviously, and then just need to pop it in there, just like that, and then make sure it's wedged in there. Yep, yes it is. Grab the bolts here. Another one here. Get it very tight. You can see this is like a 5-minute job. There we go. So now we grab the new bolt, new nut, new everything. here just to lock it up. Okay, now we just need to test it. Happy! See? Everything working now. Bring this down. Okay, let's turn it off and let's start again just to check. Straight away. Problem solved. As you guys can see, this bike is very easy. So I probably said it before, this bike here, the Mutt Mongrels and other Mutt probably, they use the Suzuki GN125 engine, and I had a Suzuki GN125 bike, like I had it before, like a few years ago. So I can tell that, yeah, it's literally the same engine. Probably have pictures somewhere of the bike that I had before, when I was on my CBT, but now I've got my full license. But yeah, those engines are like, I mean, these engines are really strong. Obviously, the Mutt motorcycles, they did a few changes to the bike, like obviously here where it would say Suzuki, it says Mutt motorcycles oil filter, and then literally everything else, like even here, this cap here obviously is a different one, this one here, but on the Suzuki GN125 you've got like the standard bolts, I mean the standard caps, yeah, but everything else is the same. You know, this bike is so simple, and as you can see, I was just like, theoretically you can fit a Suzuki GN125 starter motor on this one to replace this one here, because it's literally, as you can see, it's the same. And I was just like, you know what, let me just go for it and try it. It was a gamble, yes, it was a risk, yes, but I was just like, well, it's the same engine in a different chassis, surely will work. Like obviously if it was, we do not litter, surely if it was like, let's say, a Suzuki GN125 engine, and then I wanted to get the shocks, for example, maybe that's different, because obviously shocks and engine itself, it might be the like different assemble, because this is a different bike. But yeah, like if you want to get probably like, I don't know, probably spark plugs, not exhaust, because there is a different chassis, so they will have different, you know, different layouts. So but like anything else, like probably the oil filter will be the same. Obviously the starter motor, as you can see, will be the same. Maybe the injection probably will be the same, but obviously I would need more, I need to do more investigation on that, because obviously I don't know. And there is a few Chinese parts that they use on this bike, in the Mutt Mongrels and the other Mutts. So but yeah, as you can see, easy. I'll see you guys later. I'm going to go for a ride now.